No, the answer is no. I don't feel any anxiety. I feel a sense of responsibility toward films which I believe are stating something that should be stated and which people are not very vocal about. I think that any actor, irrespective of what religion he belongs to, would face flack from a certain section in any case.
Yeah.
And my being a Muslim in the film industry, I don't think is in any way an anomaly, because if you just go by the contribution of Muslims to the film industry, it's quite incredibly high. And I don't, as I said, in my heart of hearts, I consider myself to be an Indian, not a Muslim.
Yes, absolutely. The final message of Mr. Shah's character about his opponent in the movie is that he also has the right to think. And that is always an important one, but an easy one to miss. Do you think the message got through? You should ask them. Did the message get through?
Get through.
Yes, there you are. You got the answer. There's a clear progression, rather regression towards mythological plots. How do you think this affects viewers? How has the movie industry changed in these last few decades? I mean, it's been answered. Absolutely loved the movie. That's another comment. So regression into mythological plots in current mainstream industry.
It's become blatant. If you really think about it, Hindi movies we've been making movies for 100 years. We've been boasting about that, quite forgetting that we've been making the same movie for 100 years. But all those movies borrow heavily from the Mahabharata. There is no end to the amount of stories in the Mahabharata, and even if you read a few pages of it, you'll certainly come across something which will make a good commercial movie. So the mythology has always been a source for us, in the same way as the old Parsi theatre or the Nautanki was a source for Hindi cinema when it began. But this regression into open